It is day 41 of the 100 Days of Making Comics. That's the challenge started by Kevin Cross, where you're supposed to spend 30 minutes a day minimum on your own personal comic project for 100 consecutive days. And I am working on Quarterly Stories, which is my graphic novel about faith and mental illness. That's very personal to me, that I hand draw, hand write, hand letter, and hand ink, and then hand to you, hopefully someday in print. But until that day, it's available serialized online at quarterlystories.com. It's a very personal story to me, and I am super tired. I think I already said that in the intro. But I also syndicate it at topis.io, where you can find it under Quarterly Stories and add it to your library. This challenge today is kicking my butt, so I'm just going to try to get in my penciling for my panel because I'm really exhausted. I think it's because yesterday I had band practice and then I pushed it by doing the 100 days on top of that. So I'm going to try to cut this really short so this will upload really fast and so I can actually get some sleep. So first, I got comicking to do. I got to get in day 41. So forgive me for this being short and sweet, but yeah, so now to cartooning.
Okay, so I penciled my panel, and that's day 41. Yay!
So like I said, short update today. Thanks to those of you who've subscribed, liked, shared, and commented on my YouTube videos. It means a lot. If you haven't subscribed and you're interested, just click the subscribe button. Hopefully tomorrow I can do a more interesting update, but I'm just trying to fulfill my 100 days today because, like, you can probably just tell from looking at me, I'm really tired. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.